Does this sound like you? While cracky joints are not necessarily a cause for concern, it could also mean that you're not getting enough movement in your day. And you know what they say, motion is lotion. Here are some gentle beginner moves you can do to lubricate those cracky joints. Neck. We're simply looking from left to right, slowly turning our head. Follow your natural range of motion. Shoulders, just roll them back nice and slowly. Chest, we're gonna open up our arms, look upward and slightly bend back. Low back and spine, we're gonna swing our arms from left to right, pivoting our foot. Hips, bring your knee up and to the side. Follow a range of motion that works for you. Knees, we're simply going to kick back nice and slowly. Wrists, circles in both directions. And ankles, you can do this sitting down. We're going to do some circles with our feet in both directions. And that's it. I hope that was a little bit more satisfying than cracking your whole body.